Located on the Lifecycle Sales Advice tab, you'll have all the information about your sale, such as the key dates, commission and contract price, any deadlines, and extra information linked with your solicitors and purchaser solicitor. Once you have all of this information entered in, you'll see an option at the bottom to print sales advice. By selecting the Print Sales Advice option, this will prepare and merge your selected Microsoft Word template that we will show you how to set up. Once this is completed, there will be a green button telling you to download your letter. Simply click the green button to download your Microsoft Word file. We can now see the Microsoft Word template that I have selected to be linked to the Sales Advice button, and it has now merged in the details of all of the sales information to my Sales Advice template. Let's show you how you can now set up this template to be linked to your Print Sales Advice button. To link a Microsoft Word template to your Print Sales Advice button, you'll need to first of all log in as the admin. You'll then need to go to the Office Settings, and inside the Office Settings, go to the Settings option. Under the Office heading, you will have a default Sales Advice letter. This will allow you to select from any of your Microsoft Word letter templates that you have uploaded in your account. For my particular template that we want to use, I've used the Sales Advice document. You can pick any letter from that list and then hit the Save Setting option. It's important to note that you will not see the Print Sales Advice button until you have selected a template.